Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. All right? Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform if you can. It's found, like I said, right underneath the video. If you press it and it turns blue, the number will increase, and that's you telling YouTube that you're enjoying my content. And then YouTube, in turn, if there's enough number of those thumbs up, will put my videos in front of other people who enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. Okay, today I'm really excited to share with you, this was something I saw on Instagram, and then I saw a couple of girls get this, some large channels in a PR package, and it really intrigued me. And I decided that I would put myself on the list at ELF if this came up, to inform me. So, because they did a whole like sneak peek on all these PRs and on the Instagram. And what I'm talking about is the collaboration between ELF and Chipotle. And I'm a person who absolutely loves chips and guacamole, but Chipotle is a restaurant that I have not ventured to yet, so that is definitely one that we are going to be going to, because when the email came down in reference to when this was available, it also came down with a coupon for something free from the Chipotle, and I'm going to read all that to you. So if this is of interest to you, you'll know exactly how I did it and how you'll be able to use it as well. Okay, so as you know, with ELF, they come in these fantastic boxes. They're like these origami boxes that you open it up by tearing it, and then you have to open it up into like so many different sections. And then finally at the bottom, there is some shredded paper, and underneath all this shredded paper was the one and only palette that I ordered. Everything else in the collection I thought was really cute, but it was really nothing that I needed or wanted. But I think a lot of people that enjoy the Chipotle brand, I think would have got a real kick out of it. One of it was a sponge that had a smaller sponge, so it looked like almost an avocado with the pit of the avocado. It is so cute. And then the other thing was also a lip product, but it looked more, when I saw the girls place it on, it looked very sheer. So I decided I'm gonna stick just with the palette. And I will read you, like I said, I did do a few notes that I would remember this when it came in. It did come in pretty quickly, I think within a week of when I ordered it. And I also used Rakuten, which is the Ebates that I always call Ebates, because when I signed up for it, it was Ebates. And even if you Google the word Ebates, it will take you to Rakuten. But Rakuten is the one that I've spoken to you guys about, that anytime I'm shopping retail, I go through Rakuten. I do have a link down below, and right now there is a special on Rakuten, and I have to thank Isabel from Alaska. She informed me that she used my link, and then she got $30 in a credit, and I got $30. And it's not just a credit, it's cash. So every quarter you get paid whatever the percentage is on the Rakuten Ebates, on the site that you're going into. It is so simple, and there's no charge to sign up or anything. So all you do is you go through my link, and then you will get that free $30, and so will I. I think it's absolutely fantastic, and thank you, Isabel. If you are going to be using my links, please share that with me, because otherwise I just would have got notification that I got a credit, and I wouldn't know who to thank. So like I said, it's just so exciting that they're offering this. And my link has been with me from way before I had a channel. I just made sure to leave it in the description box down below, and it's either under Ebates or Rakuten. And then you simply press on it, it takes you there, you sign up, there's no charge, like I said, and it's 1, 2, 3. And the only thing you have to do is, before you go into the website that you want to go into, you go into Rakuten and you type in, like I did, ELF. It will tell you what the percentage was, and at the time that I went, there's a 5% cash back. I shop like I normally do. All my information is on the ELF website, and then simply at the end, I will get an email from Rakuten/Ebates that will tell me that my sale went through and that I'm going to be getting this money back. And they pay you every quarter via check or however you want to set it up, but mine is set up as a check. All right. So like I said, I'm thanking you in advance for using that link, because $30 is really nice that you guys get it, and so do I. And like I said, there's no cost to sign up. It's just a promotion, I guess, that they're doing right now. So, but this is anytime I shop retail. So it's ULTA, Sephora, anything, even Walgreens, I go through there. So it's simply, you click on that and it brings you to the website. So everything that you normally do is normal. The only step that you have to do first is to go through the Ebates and then choose which store you want to go to. All right. Okay. So this was $16 for the palette that I received, and they have free shipping on e.l.f. anything over $15. So this cost me straight $16. And then on top of it, they had a deal. Plus I got the 5% that I'm going to get back from the Rakuten Ebates. So I got free shipping. This cost me $16. And then they had a deal that is a special deal that you get free chips and guacamole coupon. I think it's good until like the middle of April. So they send you down a link and everything after your parcel gets shipped. So really excited about that. So this is a limited edition eyeshadow palette. They're saying it's inspired by Chipotle. And then they're saying it has limited edition 12-piece eyeshadows. The shades were inspired by their favorite Chipotle ingredients. I told you about the free chip and the guac. And then it's a mix of mattes and shimmers, metallic shades, and the ultra pigment blendable colors. It is a limited quantities, they're saying, are available, and you can only get 2 of these when you place your order. And then it says that e.l.f. and Chipotle collection, you don't know what you were craving. Customize your makeup looks the same way you customize or go to your Chipotle to place an order. Remember, it's okay to do a little extra. We're serving up this limited edition 12-piece powdered eyeshadow palette that's inspired by the Chipotle line. The fresh spread of matte, shimmer, and metallic shades are inspired by your favorite Chipotle ingredients, so you can build a look that's mild, medium, or hot. How cute is that? Okay, and then the last thing that is in here is that all e.l.f. products are free from parabens, non-phenol, then it says oxalates, triclosans, and it says, and all e.l.f. products are cruelty-free and vegan. All right. So when I opened this up, there was this sheet that was wrapped around the whole, all the eyeshadows, and it has all these cute sayings on it. But as soon as I went to remove it, there's no markings on the actual eyeshadow palette. So I will read to you the cute names that are there, and then we'll do some swatching, okay? So the names that they put correspond to the colors that are here, I think are just adorable. So they have lettuce, guac, corn salsa, mild salsa, pinto beans, black beans, white rice, brown rice, fajitas, soft fritas, hot salsa, and green salsa. So like I said, so as soon as I take that off, those names aren't there anymore. So I'm just going to show you the colors up front, and then we'll just do some swatching. So something about this spoke to me, and I wanted to, and I enjoy e.l.f. and I enjoy the e.l.f. formula, and it is just beautiful. Those are the first 2 colors there. Can you believe how beautiful this is? And this palette is only $16. So let me do the next 2. And that's what they look like there. Really, really pretty, very vibrant, really, really beautiful. Like I said, for some reason, I saw these colors and I just couldn't believe how beautiful they were. So I said to myself, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself. I enjoy an e.l.f. palette anyways. And then I had no idea about the coupon when my order came back down, and it said that we got the free salsa, the free guac and guacamole. It's going to push me to now try that new restaurant. So really, really excited to have the opportunity to try that. All right. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette for just $16. And like I said, I have been impressed with the e.l.f. brand, and a lot of my early videos were sharing with you, because that was one of my first orders that I think I did when I first moved to the States, because I couldn't believe the prices and I really, really wanted to try so many of their products. Look how stunning that is. So that's the whole palette. There is a full beautiful mirror up on top here, and that's the complete palette here swatched, as well as shown to you here on the palette. All right, so once again, this I got on elf.com. Don't forget about, if you're not using Rakuten or Ebates, to use that link down below, because then you get free $30 even before you do anything, and so do I. So I think that's an absolute win-win. Once again, thank you to Isabel in Alaska. I cannot thank you enough. And the Canadian subscriber who initially, told me that they used my link and got $20 or $25. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have known to share it with you guys here. So as always, please share with me in the comments if this is something of interest to you, if any of you ordered it and received it. And also, what's your favorite thing to eat at Chipotle? All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I want to make sure that everybody continues to stay safe so that we all stay well, and then we can start enjoying a little more and a little more. All right. Take care. Stay well.